Okay, so in the last session, I completed I going on the control form, uncontrol and control, maybe and control form. Okay, this is
Mm-hmm.
maybe last session I discussed control uncontrolled form, but the use of this, and on here, but the use of how to why uncontrolled form and control form. On here we use the ref. Okay, so again I some things. So before that, we need to some clarification on one point on here.
Mm-hmm.
Just 1 second. Root parameter. Root para root parameter. Like we have passed the value in the URL, like
Yeah.
on the URL, like www.google/1. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
when you click the suppose that we have one list page, and when click the list page, we want to show the detail page based on the ID. Okay, so how to
Yeah.
find this ID, how to redirect, how to get this ID. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is root parameter. Okay, and
Yeah.
also we need to pass another parameter with the query string, like city is equal to, okay, city is equal to Kanpur, and and uh, and uh, and country is equal to India. Okay, okay, so this is a root parameter, this is a query string. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
when you we have list page, we have product list page. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and when you click this product view details, so
Mm-hmm.
based on the ID, or if we want to some query string, like want to filter data based on the city or country, and view details product detail list based on this country, city, and ID. Based on this data, we want to show the details. So how to these things, how to do. So we need to first like just I run this application, npm, what the command, how to run this, npm run npm run dev, correct?
Yeah, exactly. I'm writing it
Oh,
down. 1 minute.
yeah, just npm run dev.
Yes,
Okay,
that is a dev server. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
dev server,
Yeah. Wait.
npm
White.
run.
White.
Yeah, so on here we have data binding. On here we have
Mm-hmm.
search. Okay,
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
we have, this is a product list page, this is a product list page,
That
and
deleted.
and we want to detail of this product. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so just
Mm-hmm.
one, just I add one button on here. Go to the product list, and on here add the th. Okay, th, and a name in here view.
Mm-hmm. View product. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, this is a header,
Mm-hmm.
and I add one line on here, view. This is a button. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is a button here, and on here view, and on here we need to write one function. Okay, function name on click, on click. Okay, E is equal to lambda expression redirect. Okay, and on
Okay.
here we have write the product ID. We need to ID or product ID. Okay, this is product ID. Okay, this is coming on
Mm.
here, the intelligence. Okay, so we need to write this function on the top. On here,
Okay.
come on here. Okay, const. Okay, just one second. Okay, so on here ID. Now we want to rewrite to new page. Navigate. Okay, navigate. So just I add on here navigation. This is add navigate. We just use the for the navigation const navigate. Navigate is for the redirect one page to another page.
Exactly.
Navigate. Okay, and okay. So this is product ID. So we want to create one page on here,
Mm.
like just because we have no detail page. Okay, can you see on here? We have product list. Now I create. Okay, on here create the product view page. Product view dot JS. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now on here import, like I create just function first. I function product view. Okay, on here return. We need to create HTML product detail. Okay, product detail. Now this is on the H4. Now div. So first, before that we need to get data on here. So we need to get data. Then how to get data from one page to another page? So we need to on here, you know, the use effect. This is a page load method.
Call.
Okay, this is
Call.
a
Yeah. Call. Mm-hmm.
page load method, like in the EMBC page load or
Mm. Mm.
okay, first time this is load method and use effect. Okay, so
Mm.
on here we need to get value. Okay, so
Mm.
we have get value. How to get value on here? Const. Okay, const location is equal to use location.
Mm.
Okay, in from the use location you can get value from the uh, first, just one second. I understand on here const id is equal to use params. Okay, this
Mm.
value get is this value, like this one. Okay,
Yeah, one, correct.
correct. One value get on here, use param.
Exactly.
Okay, so now I get id on here. Now in the use effect, now in the use effect we have got data const. Okay, const product obj is equal to, okay, product list. Okay, product list that find product id and id, this id.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah,
Product list. Find prod parameter where we are
yeah,
getting
this
this.
this is a variable, this is a find.
Ah,
Okay,
variable. Ah, okay. Okay.
this is
Callback function.
this
Variable.
is a
Okay.
variable.
Lambda.
This is
Okay.
the
Variable.
lambda expression.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
now on here, because this is a product data, product list is a, we have static data. Now you can see on here in the data, inside the data we have, this is a static data. Okay, so on go on here, we have product list, so we need to import import product list from. Okay, this is, this data come from the on, from the data. This is a product list. Okay, this is a static data we have. Okay, data come from here, data I import on here, okay, product data. Now product
Yeah.
list on here, and based on the product id, and when I click the view on the list page, id come on here and filter data, then set value on the on here. Correct.
Yeah.
Now uh, you you maybe remember what is the use of spread operator. Spread operator set on here, we have create the on first use state, like const uh, product info. Okay, set product info. Okay, this is a use state, this is a use state. Understand, this is a use state,
Exactly.
this is a use state. Okay, on here we have set value in this set product
Yeah.
info. Okay,
Yes.
but on here through the spread operator we can set,
All right.
this is a spread operator,
It,
the starting
what
in
is the
the
what is the name of this?
spread operator.
Spread operator. Okay.
Rest operator I starting in the JS, when we have JS, then we tell you the what is the spread operator, what the rest operator. Okay, so actually this is through because this is when you got the object, without spread operator you cannot get the value of the object.
Well, correct.
Okay, so if you want
Even
to get, if you want to get the
Java's. Mm-hmm.
yeah, JavaScript function. This is a
Exactly.
JavaScript spread operator. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
when you use the spread operator, then you can get value of the, this is property product id product name through the spread operator. Okay, this is
Yeah.
using the spread operator. Now set value on here. Now get set value on product info. Okay, this is a function. This is a function. Okay, this is a function. Call this value set on here. Now you can get value from product info. Okay, this is a function. Use state.
Yeah.
Use state. This is a use state. Okay, and now we want to update this. Currently we have no data on the use state. After filter data, we want to set the value in the use state objects. Okay, so how to set? So through this set product info. Set product info. This is a method. You can understand. This is a method. In the initial,
Yeah.
in starting session, I tell you this is a method. Through this method, pass this object. Okay, this is a spread operator. Okay, throw this set value on here. Set value in this method. Now this method set value in this variable. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt on here?
This is fine. This is straightforward. I can
Yeah.
completely
Okay.
understand. Yeah.
Yeah. So, so now on here, set value on here. After that, ID on here, value set on here. Okay. And suppose you on here we have three things. We have empty. We have pass
Mm,
any parameter, or we have pass multiple parameter. Okay. What the difference between if it be on here empty? What happen on here? This is a
okay.
array. This is a array.
Mm,
This is a array.
mm,
And when this is empty, then what happen? If I pass on here ID, then what happen? If I pass ID or something name, then what happen? Okay, so maybe you forget. Uh, just again tell you. Mm, if I don't pass any parameter, this is
mm,
empty. Then
okay.
every time when page load, every time
Mm,
every time use effect load, then
mm.
every time function will call. Every time function will call. Every time use effect every time will call this function.
Yeah,
If
exactly. Last time you told me the same actually. When
yeah,
you're pausing the. Yeah.
yeah,
Mm,
correct.
mm,
If
mm,
I pass this ID on here, then
mm,
when ID is changed only, then this
mm.
function is effect use effect is called.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct. Correct. Correct.
correct.
Mm,
Hmm. So actually we have ID. Actually based on
mm.
the ID, we want to show the detail of product page, product. Okay, so the detail
Yeah.
of product based on the ID. So we need to
Mm,
pass only ID on here. Correct.
yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So data on here we have now. Now after that we want to design some HTML on here. Return. Okay. Product info. Okay. Now, now product info and on here product info and okay. Return. Okay, at least some maybe function. Inside the function, we need to write code on here. Remove these things. Okay, ID. Okay. Now return product name, product info. Okay, so on here now actually on here product info end. Okay, end. If okay, so on here this is a product info. On here we have data, correct? Product info.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, end. This end operator. Okay, double end. If this in product info is true, okay, if product
Mm,
info is true, then this data will show. If product info is
mm,
true, then this data will show. Okay,
okay.
this end. If product info is false, then this data will not show.
Okay.
Okay, if product
Okay.
info on here, this is the end
This
operator.
is a this is a conditional one.
Correct. This is a actually this is a end operator. This is suppose that we have if else condition. If is
Mm-hmm.
true, then inside the if statement is executed. Same things on here. If
Okay.
product info is true, means product
Mm,
info. If data is available, means product
mm,
info is data is available. If product data is product info is null, then
mm.
null means false, undefined, false. If not data is not available, then this code will not execute. If this
Okay.
true, then
Mm,
this code will be executed.
okay. Okay.
These
I
things
got
on
it.
here.
Mm-hmm.
These things. Okay. Product
Mm-hmm.
info means something on here, something variable.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
On here,
mm.
this true. Then this code will be executed. Otherwise, not executed.
Okay.
End operator double. This means. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Now, okay. Now save this code. Now run this code. Okay. What the error? Undefined is okay. Use navigate. Product view. Okay. After that, okay.
Mm,
Now product view. After this data, after the ID. Okay. Now on here. Now what error is? Use navigate. Acha, okay, sorry. On here, use this value. Use navigate. 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 Here is navigate.
mhm.
Save code. Save code. mm, oh, const navigate equal to use navigate and use navigate, and this navigate use on. Okay, these things wrong way I going. Use navigate. I'll remove these things. Okay, sorry. Product page. Where is product page? Product. Okay, on here. On here. Use navigate. Use navigate. Okay. No, here we go. Use navigate. Okay. Now check. Okay. No. Okay. Did you mean class name? Where is class name? Class name. Class name be right. Class name. This is correct. Class name on here. Class name. Class name is correct. Class name. Did you mean class name? Just I again revealed this code. Okay. Y. Now again run. ng npm run start or npm run build first. Okay, build.
Mm.
Now npm run dev. Search. Okay.
View. Yeah. Why error?
Cannot find the child of select. No array. Data binding. Where is error is coming? The install. Okay, on here no error. Data binding, no error. When click on the search, then on here error select. Cannot find of select. Okay, select. Gurda on here select. Because only one here drop down issue maybe so. Select. But select is not product list. Search page on here. Select. Okay. Select class name. Okay. Class name. Class name. This is correct. Class name. What is the wrong one here? Cannot child of select label. Okay, label cannot select child of. Okay, inside the on here this is saying that label cannot be child of select, so we need to change these things or outside this select. That is on here label. Same things maybe letter. No. Okay, now we have no error. Just refresh on here. Now click. Okay, now not any find on here. Okay, this is here coming.
Okay.
So actually label in not allowed inside the select. Now on here we have view button. Now expect element and go to the source. Okay, source and go to the control G and search on here product
Mm-hmm.
product list
Best.
product name.
Mm-hmm.
We want to get the just is on here click. We have rewrite page. Okay, this is a rewrite page. Now search the view page. We want to come on here product view. Okay, so on here not rendering that page. Maybe this product view. Okay, just I bundling on here layout page. Okay, so I add on here import um, product view. Okay, product view and bind on here product view. Now
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute.
okay,
Navigate bar.
this is a routing on here routing.
Yeah.
This is
Exactly.
this
Exactly.
is a routing.
Mm-hmm.
We need to
Mm-hmm.
add this product view on here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but not so not we want to show on the nav link because
Mm-hmm.
not show on the nav link. Okay, so
Yes.
when you redirect from one page to another page, then
Mm.
we need to rendering on from here. So just again build product view. Now you can see on here product view, correct? Product view, and on here we want to add debugger add debugger and on here. Okay, now back again or the error. Okay, this is saying that page is not finding product view
Mm. Why? That
because
route the
no,
from
maybe
route.
name is wrong,
Mm-hmm.
maybe name is wrong.
Mm.
Product view,
Okay.
uh, uh, layout page, go on layout page on here.
Same.
Product view is saying that it is not highlighted. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so it is saying that the product view is declared but is value is never used. Okay, this is never used, correct. This is okay.
Below
This is I added this
element. Mm.
product view. Does not for the export. Okay, export. Okay, this is either you can understand. Does not provide the export name default.
Ah, we need to
Correct?
export that one. Okay.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So go on here
Mm.
view. Inside the view, we need to on here
Need to
export.
export. Correct.
Correct.
Export default product view. Mm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now refresh. Okay. Go the error. This error is coming on here. Now. Okay. Now on search. Go to the list page.
Mm.
And again some another error is coming. Invalid class name. Maybe class is very class He's saying the class name. You wait. Class name. Okay, no problem. Class name. Okay, so scroll down and click this view. Click. Okay, now you can see value is come 101.
Exactly.
Okay, now,
Yeah.
but
Mm.
on your page name is wrong. Page name is wrong. We need to page is
Ah, what is it?
product.
Product view. Mm.
Correct. So
Mm.
I change the page name. Hmm, page name product view.
Yes.
Product
View.
view.
Mm.
See. Now again run. Search and inspect element.
Yeah.
Now clear.
Yeah. 1 minute. One
Yeah.
minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Now click on view. Click on view. Now product name is correct. ID is come. Now again
Yes.
on here.
Yeah.
This is a
Yeah.
11. This is a 10. Okay. Now 10.
Yeah.
Okay. So this list page. Okay. Now again 10 page to redirect to view page, but no root match location. Product view means
Mm.
page is not find product view.
Mm.
Then why not find product view? Okay, on here product view. Okay,
Why
product view.
that navigation URL is wrong, or I think
Product view.
is correct. Name is correct.
Yes, name is correct.
But I equal to something, right? No.
Maybe in the layout page, this is value. Okay,
Yeah.
it will
Yeah.
check. It will check this value.
But that is a product view, right?
Yes, so we need to change. This is wrong one here.
Mm.
This is product view. Due to that,
Uh,
okay, this is issue on there
yeah.
because this
Yeah.
page redirect to the product view. But
Exactly.
on the routing we have product, so it is saying
Yeah.
not found pages.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, again search inspect element clear click now F5. Okay, now page come debugger come in the product view, correct.
Mm. Exactly.
Now on here 10. Okay, so it will say that
Oh,
error is coming
use
on here.
better.
User param is not defined. Is saying that user param is not defined.
But
So
we defined, right?
you uh,
We define use param not defined. Okay. Okay. That method is not defined.
yes, this use param is not defined. On here we need to define use param. It is saying.
Yeah.
So import
Use.
this is a static and it use param. Okay, this come from
Mm.
the React router DOM
Mm.
library.
Yeah.
No, use param. This is use param and use param and each param you can add. Okay, now one by one we can add. Now we'll change, we can check again, refresh the page. Here click. Okay, F5, F5. Now you can see the value on here, 101. Okay,
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
correct. Now after that, add debugger on here. Now
Mm.
call the use effect. Use effect. Uh, okay. Now value
Mm.
ID come on here. Data we have product list. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have five record on here. But
Mm.
ID we have 101. So now data we have, this is laptop will come. Laptop P001 category 45000. Okay. This
Mm.
this data will come. Correct?
Yes.
Now you can see on here. Data is this data is coming. Correct?
Yeah.
Now data is set on the product info. But page is not coming. Okay. Spirit after require the iterate. Spirit required iterable. Okay, so me on here. Spirit after is not working. Okay. Use effect. I think this is one line. No need to learn this. And use param. Use navigate product list. This is not working on here. So I remove these things. Then check. Okay. On here, spirit operator is not working. So without spirit operator, data is coming. Click. Okay. Now you can see on here. But spirit operator is not working. Filter. Okay. We have 8 on here. Find. If I add the filter. Okay. Filter. If I add the filter, then spirit operator will work. Filter, it return the array. Okay, array one value filter, but find return more than one value. Find. So due to this find, we have write on here find. That reason is spirit operator is not working. If we have add the find, then you can without spirit operator you can do. If you can add filter on here, then you need to spirit operator. This is a difference on here.
Mm-hmm.
Just click. Now data is
Mm.
showing. Okay. On here
Yeah.
we have, if I add the find. Okay. If I add the
Mm.
find, then no need to add the spirit operator. Then you can see on here search. Okay, data is coming. then no need to spread operator. If you need spread operator, if you want to use spread operator, then you can use on here filter, not find.
Okay.
This is the
Okay.
difference, because this is giving the array, zero index,
Mm.
zero one value. So through
Okay.
spread operator, you can give the value.
Okay.
This is the difference. So the data is coming based on the 102. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So on here 102. Now we want to pass the query string also. Query string like mm, we have use param and and const query param. Okay. On here location before that const location use location,
Yeah.
const location use location, and use location through this search. Okay, search we have get value in the query param, and query param, from the query param you can get value like const city. Okay, then get value on from the city. Const if you want to country, then you can get value from the country. And if you want to show this value, okay, so you can show on
Mm.
in the HTML. Right, root parameter, parameter, and on here you can show city, okay, and country, then show this detail, id, id, HTML, this is country, okay, this is country, and close these things. After that I add the bracket. Okay, so I add the bracket. Now we can add. Okay, so on here click, data is coming. Now on here we can only hard code it on here, like question mark city is equal to Kanpur, and okay, and uh, country is equal to India. Now enter. Okay. search. You can add these things on here also. Product list. Okay, this is query string. Now you can add on here question mark, state. This value. City country. Okay. Search. Now click search. Fail to reload. Okay. On here we have. Okay. So we want to get value on here. How to get value on here? So I save this code. Now, okay, I not save the code due to the region maybe. Again refresh. Again refresh. Search. Now click. Again search. View. Product, product view. Product view. We want to refresh this page. We want to refresh this page. Just 1 second. Attempting port disconnected. Okay. I close by again run. Okay. Now search view. Okay. Not working. Never the error. City is not defined. Okay. City is not defined. Okay, no problem. So we have product list. Okay. So city we have write the third. code on here.
Hmm.
City. I remove this command. Okay, and on here remove this code. Save.
Country code India.
And now I check. Click. Okay, city, Bangalore, country, India.
India. Hmm.
Location is not defined. Okay, use location. So we need to use location in the import on here. Use location.
Okay, where view?
Use location on here.
Hmm.
On because use location. Use location. Use
Location.
location.
Hmm.
Okay. Now again run. Search. Click. Now city Bangalore, country India.
Wow.
Okay. Now you can see.
Super. Super. Hmm.
So this is a query string and
Hmm.
this is a root parameter. Okay.
Yes.
This is a
Yeah.
query. You can throw this
So,
if you get the value.
if you want to avoid a parameter value pausing, what is the other way we can do that one?
Yeah, we can do through the
Mm.
this thing on here. Mm,
Just we need to pass only the product ID. The rest of things will come through our instead of query parameter, we need to pass that param. That is
yeah,
means
through the state we have the state and other things we have on here state. Just I show you
okay.
on here. Just go to the product. Okay, this is a
Mm.
navigate on here. Okay,
Because that is not a good practices for
correct,
sending
correct,
that. Mhm,
correct.
mhm.
So like on here. We add the link. Okay, link inside the link product view. Okay, product view and I remove other things. I remove these things.
Mm.
Remove. Okay. Now here use state. State is equal to like behave is equal to x is colon 100 single quote state
1 minute. I will ask my son to get ready for school. Okay.
Yeah.
The time is 1 minute.
State. Okay. Product ID and state. These things. Now go to the product view. Product view on here. Use product ID and mm, and on here enter const here you can uh, use search param. Okay, use search param. Just on here const.
I'm listening. Don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Use on here. Use x something you can write. Hidden value. Hidden value is equal to location that state that x. Okay. So we need to alert 100. Now again run search okay. Now again run the code by npm run tab search करवा देगा. Okay, this is not allowed. Link is not working on here.
Why?
It is saying link is not void element tag must otherwise children nor. Okay, this is a dangerous. So on here not allow link. Just I use. You can use the button. Let me use the button.
Okay.
Button. Now run. Okay. So again click. Maybe errors is coming. Okay, I remove that function. Okay, product ID. Okay, this is state we want to redirect product ID. Okay, and product view. Okay, just I add this code on here. I remove this code and again comment and again this code save. Now again run search. Now view. Okay, now you can see 100, but in the URL 100 is not showing. Can you see 100? 100
Yeah.
100 I pass on here in the
Yeah.
on here you can see
Mm.
product list, click redirect. Okay, this is the state. Through this we can pass state x is equal to 100, correct?
Yes.
This value.
Yes. Yes.
Now go to the view page. Now go to the view page. You can see hidden field location dot state dot x dot x, this value. So on here you can pass any array, any object, something you can pass on here. Now throw this value. Okay, same variable you can get value in the hidden field, and according you can manage. I show only alert how to get value without URL.
Okay.
Correct? Okay. So these things only here. We have root parameter, query string, and hidden field. So we have, after that we have okay. Now you have time, correct? Now we can continue another topic.
Chandra, we can continue tomorrow
Yeah, we
because
can. Yeah, we
yeah,
can.
yeah. I'm going to start that stand-up call.
Yeah,
So
sure.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Better